Cnc Citizen Turnmill. Cnc Citizen Turnmill works with bar feed mechanism. Different operations can be performed in main spindle in one cycle, like milling, drilling, turning. Whereas in back spindle, counter and tapping operations can be performed. Machine is fully automatic programming based, which facilitates usage of 25 tools in a single process. Length of 0.02 to 0.03 mm range can also be maintained. The machine has a capacity to produce 2 to 18 mm of diameter with maximum length of 150 mm.